In this video, I will guide you on how to use ChatGPT new image generation update. The first thing you need to know is that this feature is already built inside ChatGPT, so you don't need to install anything extra. Just make sure you're using the latest version of ChatGPT. To do that, open Play Store or App Store and search ChatGPT. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now, launch open the ChatGPT app. Log into your account if you haven't already. Now you want to tap on this plus icon, and from this option you want to select create image. Once that is done, all you need to do is type in your prompt. For example, you can describe what you want, like a futuristic city at night with neon lights and flying cars. Now here's where the new update is powerful. With Images 2.0, ChatGPT doesn't just blindly generate pictures. It actually understands your request better, plans the layout, and then creates the image with more detail and accuracy. It can also handle text inside images, posters, logos, and even complex designs much better than before. After you send your prompt, just wait for a few minutes and your image will be generated directly in the chat. If you don't like it, you can simply refine your prompt and try again to get a better result. That's basically how you use ChatGPT image generation update. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.